Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Last week there was a problem with the WordPress auto update workflow which caused some sites to be mistakenly updated to an alpha version of WordPress. It started on October 29 with a common security update fixing some cross-site request and XSS vulnerabilities. However, the update also triggered a bug that prevented new WordPress installations from being created. This is why professional services like Valet provides are very important to have a healthy website. We turn off all automatic updates and enroll them on a visual regression test that catches these errors before they are pushed live. Reach out to hello@valet.io if you want to know more. Have a wonderful week.